So we find there are three critical success factors for digital decisioning, right? The first is you have to begin with the decision in mind. You have to put decisions first. You can't do this by analyzing processes, analyzing data, or anything else. There are good reasons to do those things, but you won't get digital decisioning unless you actually focus on decisions. That's the first one. The second one is that you have to be willing to mix and match your technologies. That there's no one technology that's going to solve all your digital decisioning problems. You need to use rules, you need to use machine learning, you're going to need to use descriptive analytics and diagnostic analytics. You've got to use a lot of different technologies, and each decision needs a different mix. So you've got to be willing to mix and match. So you can't be technology led, you've got to be business problem led. And then the third thing is just focus on continuous improvement. Our experience is you can't get there in one go. You've really got to be willing to try, get started, experiment, learn a little bit, gather some new data, improve your algorithms, change your rules, try again, do some more. And if you're not willing to do that, then you're simply not going to be able to adopt these technologies effectively. So three things: decisions first, mix and match, continuous improvement. Where can our viewers get your book, James? You have it in front of you, right? It's on Amazon. You can buy Kindle. There's a Kindle version. It's currently being translated into Chinese and Japanese. So if you want Chinese and Japanese, they'll be available at some point. I'm not entirely sure when. But it's available on Amazon pretty much everywhere, and as a paperback and in Kindle. So, yeah. And we'll put the link down this video. So absolutely. And Jim, what's your point of view? What would be three takeaways from your standpoint?
I agree with James. I would add one modifier as I listen to him. I think in this doing decisions first, I think it's important to prioritize the decisions, and the ones that are linked to the outcomes that are most important to the organization, I think is a step that happens first, but then you follow James' 3 steps, and I think that's right. The other thing that I think is important also is not only do we improve these decisions, we have to point to how these decisions are linked to business outcomes. Yeah. And if a company wants a different outcome, they need to be able to point to the decisions that might impact it. And, we didn't bring this up, but there has to be some kind of repository involved with all of these decisions, so that you say, well, I really want to change this kind of a balance as an executive. Which decisions should I focus in on? And I know James has done some work in that area.
Absolutely, yeah.
So let's link additional resources here, blog post, Jim, and your book link, James, page over here. So we're absolutely ready for next conversations if we get comments and actually, good viewership for this recording. So thank you so much. Thank you. This is tremendous. I've learned a lot. Thank you. Thank you both very much.
Well, thanks, Irene. Nice to see you again, Jim.
Yeah, nice to see you, James. You're looking healthy.
Looking good, everyone. Yep.
Not dead yet. Yeah.